Creativity is the key for designing better, and Canva is a great tool for creative designs. It is a powerful and easy to use graphic design software that has been used by millions of people around the world. The company offers a free version for personal use, but there are some premium features that are only available on the paid version. With such great tool like Canva, it isn't hard to find yourself using it on a daily basis. The following 11 Canva keyword shortcuts will make you work faster and easier, so you can create amazing designs even faster. Let's start with one of the most useful Canva shortcuts you will use again and again. Whenever you need to create a new text block on your page in Canva, press the T key and one will appear. A common problem I'm always facing is managing different text boxes in my design. Luckily, Canva has a simple solution. Hit Tab to jump from one text box to another. This shortcut saves me a lot of time. If you just copy and paste text into the text box in Canva, it will already be aligned in the center of the box. However, if you paste some text from elsewhere or type it from scratch, it's not aligned by default. Here is a handy keyword shortcut to get your text centered. Hold Ctrl, Shift and the letter C. The Undo button is one of the most used features that can be found in any software. And it's fortunate that it does have a simple key shortcut even in Canva. Simply hit Ctrl and the letter Z on your keyboard and voila! As I already said, the Undo is one of the most used features in any design software. But what if you undo too much of your current design in Canva? There is of course a simple solution. Press Ctrl and the letter Y to redo your last few changes. When you are working on a project, it can become tedious to zoom in and out of your design. By pressing Ctrl and the plus sign on your keyboard, you will effortlessly zoom into your design for a better view. And what if you did zoom in too far in your Canva project? The solution is simple. Press Ctrl and the sign dash. While designing, it can be helpful to switch between zooming in and zooming out. This makes it easier to focus on the details of your design while still being able to see a clear picture of the whole thing. When you are zoomed into your design, you can hold Ctrl, Alt and the number 0 at the same time to zoom out that your design fits within the screen. Lines are the perfect way to add a little extra detail and dimension to your design. Whenever you need to add a line element into your design, just tap the L key on your keyboard. While you can search for circle in the Elements tab, it is more convenient to know a shortcut that will add this simple element into your design. Just press the letter C on your keyboard and the circle will appear. And what about the rectangle? Yes, even for this geometric element is a dedicated shortcut in Canva. All you need to do is to press R key and a rectangle will appear right before you. Well, there you have it. 11 easy Canva keyword shortcuts to help you design faster. I really appreciate you watching this video and hope it was helpful. You can get in touch with me via comments if you have any more questions.